Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Welcome to this presentation of Urban Village Rahiyang Pasirlangu Pentahelix Academician Proposal. This group consists of Tharisa, Azzahra, Rizky, Putri, Shinta, Siti Nurindah, which is myself, and Dilla Maulida. So in this group, we're going to explain about the Pentahelix Academicians.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tharisa Rizky and now I want to explain about the background. Urban Village is an annual program that organized by students of the Communication Science Study Program with a concentration in marketing communication at Telkom University. This program aims to make the students apply knowledge of the marketing communication concentration course. On this occasion, we had the opportunity to run this urban village program with our village that called Pasirlangu Village. From the 2020 urban village, we are expected to be able to create an event and campaign for the potential resources of Pasirlangu Village in order to increase the name of Pasirlangu Village through its resource. I think that's all from me. Next, about the village profile will be explained by my friend Putri Shinta.
Okay, Pasirlangu is a village in the Cisarua Subdistrict, West Bandung Regency, West Java, Indonesia, precisely located not far from the food mound Burangrang. And the majority of the villagers work as farmers. The agriculture commodities in this village include flowers, vegetables, especially paprika. This commodity is the main source of economy in this village. And the name Pasirlangu is a unique combination of words, namely pasir and langu. Pasir in Sundanese means hill, while langu comes from the word ngalange, which means daydreaming, contemplating, and reminiscing. So the name Pasirlangu can be interpreted as a hill or to reflect or remember. In addition to its uniqueness, this village also has various natural potentials that deserve our appreciation. Okay, for the internal issues are basically the problem faced by Pasirlangu which arise from the internal of Pasirlangu village itself. Here we also analyze from academic side too, from the result of interviews and some information from the Google article that we have found. We can conclude that there are several problems that they are currently facing. First, including pest outbreaks and pandemics that have made the farmers' crops and then not optimal and suffered quite a lot of losses. The farmers who are most affected by these pests are paprika farmers, which, as we know, paprika is one of the agricultural sectors that helps lift most the economic there. Even from the information from some local farmers, some farmers moved their seed plantation to other areas. So the pests, which until now have not found the effective way to eradicate them. Apart from the pest, another internal problems faced by Pasirlangu village is unbalanced human resource quality. There is a clash between the farmers who have a power and small farmers. Farmers who have the power are usually millennial farmers who already have their own greenhouse and the markets, while the small farmers, some of who still use traditional farming in their farming methods. And the millennial farmers, they usually use modern methods, so that is very helpful in terms of quantity and quality of their paprika or product. They are more advanced and produce a lot of yields with a grade A compared to small farmers who still use traditional methods. Even though there are the Farmer Association and BUMDES, there is still, I can say, the most of the farmers there are individualists. Even some of the advanced farmers there are not included into the association of Pasirlangu farmers. And the last issues we highlight is product utilization. As explained above, that there are past also the pandemic that makes the crops of farmers there go to waste. Lack of education and knowledge about the processing of rotten agriculture product, and also ignorance and dried flowers can be used as interesting craft. Even has its own market, which is quite popular. And the last one is the tourism potential that not managed as well.
After we're talking about the internal issue, there are also some external issues that is still lacking in Pasirlangu village. The first one is recognition in academic sector. Well, if we're talking about the technological side, Pasirlangu has already advanced in it. We can see that they already have and collaborate with Habibi Garden, which where they market and distribute their products, right? But in terms of academic sector, they actually can broaden or can make their networks bigger than what they have right now, which is in terms of academic sectors. We're talking about academic sectors, it's not only about academic institutions and universities, but also Pasirlangu village can be the source or resource for academic researchers' purposes and also can bring benefit to the knowledge and science world.
Then, if we want to tackle the issues, we need campaign strategies. And starting from the internal campaign, we will involve internal human resources as webinar speaker. And this is also will be stated by Dilla in the collaboration chapter. Other than just involving internal HR as webinar speaker, we will also need helps and support from the people of Pasirlangu to tackle or to maximize our external campaign.
After we're talking about internal campaign, we are going to the external campaign strategy. If you're going back to what I have stated on the external issue, we initiate three main campaign strategies for the problem. The first one is invitation to academic researcher. As what I said, that Pasirlangu village can have the opportunity to contribute to the science and also the knowledge world. We can invite academic researchers. We can share information about Pasirlangu village to the academic researchers in academic institutions and universities. And the second one, we can conduct theory and also practical workshop. What my friends have stated on the internal issue, this can also benefit the internal human resources and also external human resources. And the third one is, which is the most crucial and the most closest experience, is by inviting professional in agriculture and agribusiness to our webinar that will be held in 27th November 2021. We will invite a professional from UPN Surabaya or Universitas Pembangunan Nasional that will be the speaker in our webinar that will talk about agricultural and agribusiness.
Everyone has their own goals. Our project also has goals too, which is first, open opportunity for Pasirlangu farmers to get the knowledge from academic scope by providing information. And the second, increase flow from the homeland with the collaboration and evolving the academic sector. Not only Generation Z, which is Generation Z is our main target, but especially Indonesian youth, including our goals to Indonesian farmers to increase their knowledge in farming. We have internal and external collaboration. Internal cooperation is cooperation with parties within the Pasirlangu village itself. First, Bu Yanti from the farming community in Pasirlangu village. And we will cooperate with the millennial farmer community in Pasirlangu village. For external cooperation with outside parties to enliven the event of the village of Pasirlangu itself, such as first, academic institution is like agriculture and agribusiness field. This collaboration will be very beneficial because it can add professional human research who can become research person and support at the event that will be held. Institutions that can be invited that have the scope of agriculture such as Pajajaran University, UPN Surabaya, etc. And the second one is Telkom University. There will also be lecturers and judges from our campus. By involving the lecturers from our university, we can broaden the view and academic opportunities for Pasirlangu from their point of view.
That's all from our group. Thank you very much.